Hey guys, it's Canadian Pyro. So for today's video, this is one of those retro boxes from Supernova Fireworks that I picked up. I think I picked up 4 of these. I haven't tested any of them out really. I mean, I tested a little bit out with Randy's RC Hobby Room, but none of mine here yet. So we're gonna pull everything out of here and take a look at what we got, and then we're gonna test it all out. All the fireworks in here are supposed to be from early 2000s, so there's a good chance some of these are about 20 years old, so kind of cool to get my hands on some retro fireworks. Okay, so first up, out of the bag, box, pink Flamingo, shoots to 15 meters, 32 pink stars, and this is by Big Dog Fireworks. So Big Dog Fireworks is the same company from that retro cake that I set off. I'll try to tag that. I could not find any company belonging to this, not in Canada anyways. I could find a Big Dog in the States, but these are imported to Ontario, so I'm a little curious about what that company used to be. I guess they're not around anymore, or maybe they turned into a different company, but most of these fireworks in this box are going to be the Big Dog Fireworks. But yeah, so that's a 32 shot barrage, pink shots, and then yeah, kind of cool. You got a red fuse on there, or kind of pinky red. Most of the time we get that green visco on there, so kind of neat. The old school red paper on the bottom. So next up is, okay, so Eternal Fire by Big Dog Fireworks, another barrage. I think this one's red. I'm not sure. Yeah, I assume it's a red barrage. It's not saying anything for an effect, but I assume it's a red barrage. And then this one here, what is that? More Guai? I don't know. I know I butchered that one. I certainly can't read those. I think this one with the fuse being down here, I'm pretty sure this is a mine. Let's see. Shoots to 30 meters, 3 whistling comets with silver tails and a titanium flash followed by a loud bang. Oh, that's cool. So maybe we'll put that one up last. Be a little salute with some whistles. A really cool graphic on there too. I think that's also by, yeah, Big Dog Fireworks as well. Oh, it should be really cool. Shining Light. Well, this one's by Mystical Fireworks, so I wonder if Big Dog turned into Mystical later on. This one's a 24 shot barrage of white stars, so got that. Emerald Barrage by Big Dog Fireworks, so I assume it's a green barrage, probably another 24 shot one like this one here. Well, quite a bit of loose powder in that one. I think this is a mine. Got the fuse down there. What's it say? Shoots to 20 meters, a bouquet of rainbow colored stars. So yeah, I assume that's a mine. Also by Big Dog. It looks like we get a couple Roman candles. So this one is Stop and Go, a 12 ball, and I think it's color changing, or maybe it's just red and green back and forth, but it might be color changing. We'll see. 12 shot. And then we've got Night Lights, another 12 ball Roman candle. And I'm not seeing an effect on here anywhere, so we'll have to find that out. So we've got a little fountain, Howling Blizzard, a whistling silver fountain. Should be pretty good. And then another fountain, Singing the Blues. So, I'm not seeing an effect though. Shower of Sparks, so it's a fountain. So I wonder if it's a whistling blue fountain. This looks like it's an actual mortar. What's this? Crackling Green Giant. Well, it might actually be a mine. Spectators must be at least 25 meters away. Erupts, throwing stars, or flaming balls. So yeah, I think this is a mine. I'm not sure if we will be getting any breaks in this set. It might just be all mines, but that should be pretty good. So crackling greeny, or crackling green giant, sorry. Kind of looks like the Hulk on there. A little bit of a ripoff. Kind of cool. And so it looks like there's 2 of these. Colorful skies. I wonder if this is a rainbow mine. Might be. Test it out. So we got 2 of those. And we got another crackling green giant. So maybe we'll test out the mines and then do a couple at one time. And we got 2 of these ones. So this is a shimmering cascade. So I wonder if it's a silver mine or something. But no effect on there. So yeah, I assume that's another mine. But we got 2 of them. So we got 2 of each mine. So maybe we'll do 1 of each and then do all 3 at the same time. And getting down to the bottom of the box, we've got a little tiny, what's this? So thunder flash. So a little salute with a flash, I guess. Big dog fireworks. Kind of cool. And then last in the box, we've got this cake. So we've seen this before, Clash of Titans. This is the one I tested out. I actually got it for free from Supernova Fireworks. And then I found out he had some more of them. So that's really cool. You know, professional series fireworks from almost 20 years ago. So really cool. We'll test this one out as well. But yeah, let's go see how all this stuff looks. Okay guys, we'll start with the smaller fountains. Ooh, that had a squeal to it. Okay, next is a little salute. Nice little pop. Okay, next up we're gonna do some of the Roman candles. So this one, the stop and go. I think that's the last one. Yeah. Okay, now this is the night lights. I think it'll be probably white. And then we'll hit a barrage as well. This is the green emerald. Okay, so it's shining light, and then we'll do hellfire. Okay, now the pink flamingo. Quite a nice color. There was supposed to be a report. I didn't hear a report. Oh, it's really nice. Okay, now we're gonna test out the 3 mines, I think is what they are. Really nice. Okay, now we're gonna try to hit all 3 at one time. Okay, then for the finale, we got the cake. Thanks for watching, guys.